Hey y'all, good morning. I just wanted to give y'all a quick update. Number one, Patreon. We're up to, I think, 153 or 54 of our newest goal of 200 patrons. So if you're not on there, you can come check us out there. It's $1 a month. Gets you access to mini consults, 3 a week. And you're probably like, yeah, but whatever. I got you on YouTube. We talk about some good stuff on Patreon. Let's see. Militia loadout, commonality of caliber, reloading versus stockpiling, lots of food storage questions, tactical stuff, the appropriate axes to use for when, bug out plans, caching stuff in the ground, real practical, tactical, useful information directed straight to you. You ask us a question and we answer it. And then at certain levels up from there, you also get access to prioritized email response and the loot box giveaway and the mastermind live stream and telephone conference with myself up to 4 hours a month on the phone and in-person consultation. So that's all on Patreon. We're up to, like I said, I think it's 154 people right now, and our goal is 200. So if you've been on the fence about it, just go to patreon.com/TJMorrisNTXMag or just search for Squid and Bear. Now we have a meet and greet coming up this weekend, Heavener, Oklahoma. It's like the word heaven, then ER on the end, Heavener, Oklahoma. It's at the Heavener Runestone Park. There's a state park there. We will be there Sunday, not Saturday, Sunday, 14 October, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. We will rally at 10 a.m. in the parking lot. And just look for the Squid and Bear shirts. So if you're coming, shoot me an email, ntxmag@gmail, November Tango X-Ray Mike Alpha Golf @gmail.com, and just say, hey, we're coming. So I have a rough idea of how many people are coming. There's an existing event going on that we are using for material support and cover. It is a Viking festival. Should be pretty cool because this is a Viking Meetup / meet and greet. So there'll be bathrooms there. There will be food and drink available from vendors. I'm sure there'll be all kinds of Viking crap you can buy if you're into that. Whatever. So bring a little pocket change to facilitate your existence for the day. And let's see, shirts have been shipped as of Friday. So if you ordered a shirt, you should be seeing them the next few days. The thank you patrons, we bought a sound mixer, and I just bought a professional microphone that is coming to start the podcast and better sound for the channel. So there will be a Bear in the Woods podcast or something to that effect coming. And then lastly, we're going to do our best to stay to our regularly scheduled program. So that would be the Monday night, Monday Fun Day live stream. Tuesday, either Sunday or Tuesday. It always depends on my availability. Wisdom live stream. Right now we're in the book of Proverbs for that. Then Tuesday, try to do How Tuesdays, instructional stuff. Wednesday, Women's Wednesday with Harmony. Thursdays, generally homesteading stuff. Friday is the Friday leftovers, man. It's usually like random videos that got shot during the week, post them up. Then Saturday is Shabbat. So in addition to all the stuff going on over at Patreon and the Mastermind live stream, which is twice monthly, and those are serious live streams that allow us as a preparedness community to help each other, have everybody give input and everybody strengthen each other and everybody build community. And also to the end of community, I have a lot of work I've been putting into, I mean like physical work, pages and pages and pages of work put into some online courses that I will begin to make available to y'all including community building, because there's been a lot of questions on that. So to foot stomp, Heavener, Oklahoma, 14 October, 10 a.m. at the Heavener Runestone Park at the Viking Festival. 14 October, 10 a.m., 1000 hours, Sunday. I'll see you there. Shalom.